Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is just a quick video. So they've recently had another congressional hearing on the UAP stuff. I'm saying UFOs. Guys not familiar, I'll put a link below in the description so you guys can check it out. Now you guys know they had one before not too long ago, and of course people were on their whistleblowers and stuff like that, but this panel was a lot different than what they had before. I mean, they got 4 people on here, and I'm not too familiar with some of the other people, but Lewis was on there, so he talked about several things. Now I need to go back actually and review through this and look at some of the information, some of the stuff that was talked about. You guys see that George Knapp and other people are over there too. I don't think they're all up in there, but I have to go back and look at this. But it's kind of some of the same thing. It's just some people coming down and talking about what they've seen, testimonies and this and that, and they give descriptions of stuff. And then of course you're gonna have your normal people that I think that are kind of in there just to kind of discredit the truth and stuff and ask questions that are completely off or have nothing to do with or just throw people off. But it's pretty interesting. Like I said, it's about 2 hours long and I haven't had a chance to look through everything. I've listened to some of it. I've kind of skipped through it. I've heard some of the stuff that people said, and I need to go back and watch the whole thing from the very beginning to the end and give you guys a whole report on that, maybe go live on or something like that. But what we're missing from a lot of these things is videos. I don't ever see videos in these things. They do, it's very bad. Like videos like this. This is the stuff they need to be showing and talking about. This is what's going to make news. This is what's going to get people to watch if they, to me, in my opinion, show some good, valid video clips, like things like this. Whether it's man-made, we made it here, or it's ARV, alien reproduction vehicle, or it actually is alien origin. I think that stuff like this is going to help spread this out, because people have asked me, well, if it was really important, why isn't it on the news? And part of the reason is that they don't have video footage. It's just some guys kind of sitting down and talking. And of course, they can only tell so much. I mean, they talk about some things, but I don't think it's enough to get enough people in the public involved. They should get people like Bob Lazar on that panel. I know he's going to disagree to do it, but they should have like Bob Lazar there. I think he'd be a great candidate on there. People like Billy Meyer would be good. I don't care. Put him out there. There's tons of other people out here that have seen UFOs and have reported on it, and they can even go back to the past and talk to other people, that have seen it. There's been people that have been injured. They can bring a lot of this stuff to the congressional attention. You know, there's tons of newspaper articles. If I can find them, you guys can find them. Of course they can find them. And then there's photos too that people have taken that have been proven to be legit photos. There's pilot testimonies. There's all kinds of stuff. I mean, there's even stuff on the alien reproduction vehicle, people drawing it out. So you guys let me know. I'm going to go back at this and take a look at it to see what's going on. But put your comments down below if you want me to do a full review on that. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video.